What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Corsa AI account. So guys, all you have to do is just open up your browser and type in Corsa AI. You'll find in the search result Corsa here, or if you know the website, just go to corsa.com. Super easy, corsa.com. Head over to the official website guys, and you can easily create an account by simple click and sign in on the upper right hand side. So once you click and sign in, you have the options to really sign up with your Gmail account, your GitHub account, or even Apple. So in my case, I'm going to just use my Gmail account, my Google account, and just continue from there. Select my email address and just simply give confirmation there. And once you do that, you actually have the option to quickly create an account. Here they say that you can claim your pro trial right here. You can simply click and continue. But for right now, I'm going to just simply click and skip for now, as I'm just showing you how to create an account. All you have to do, guys, is simple choose if you want to click get started right here, or just click that in the upper right, and that's it. That's how easy it is, guys. Now here's the agent. You can go ahead and you can start here, or you can just simply tap on dashboard. It's going to take you right into dashboard right here. But that's how easy it is, guys, to create a Corsa account here. Very easy and very simple.